Yes, children, look at the picture. There is a picture on the board. The task is you have to ask some questions. By seeing this picture, you can ask some questions. Okay? Are you ready? Yes. If you want to ask questions, just raise your hand. I will allow you. Right? Come on. Yes.
What is your name? Where are you going? Who is your favorite freedom fighter name?
Who is your
Who is
favorite
your favorite freedom fighter's name?
freedom fighter?
When is your birthday? How many friends are you?
How many friends have you? Okay, right. Very good. Next, who will take chance? Come on, Sunil.
What is your name?
What is your name?
What is your mother's name?
What is your mother's name?
Which is your house?
Which is your house? Where is your house? Oh, okay. Which is your house? Right.
What is your husband's name?
What is your husband's name?
What is your brother's name?
What is your brother's name? Okay. Right. Anybody? Raise your hand. Yes.
What is your name?
What is your father's name? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite food? What is your mother's name? Good. Next. Yes, Vishnu.
What is your name?
Yes.
How old are you?
Right.
When is your birthday?
Good.
Which color do you like?
Very good. Right. Yes, sir.
Who are you? What is your name?
Who are you? What is your name?
How many children have you?
How many children have you?
When will you come?
When will you come?
Where is your house?
Where is your house?
Which is your bench?
Which is your
Which is your table?
right?
How many brothers have you?
How many brothers have you? Right. Okay. Next.
What is your name? What is your husband name? Which color do you like?
Yes.
What is your favorite color? What do you do?
Yes. Okay. Right. Ask at least one question. Yes. And no. Your chance is over. Yes. Yes. What is your hobby? Good. Very good. Ask different questions. Different questions.
When do you go?
When do you go?
What do you like?
What do you like? Very good. Yes, Dhanush.
Whom do you talk?
Yes. Yes, Jansi. What is your husband's name? Good. Jivani.
Who are you?
Who are you?
What is your name?
What is
How
your
old are you?
How old are you? Yes.
Why are you laughing?
Why are you laughing? Good. Yes. Yes, keep quiet. Keep quiet. Yes. Right. Yes.
How can I get a job?
No. Try once again.
Where are you going?
Where are you going? Right.
What is your father's name?
What is your father's name? Good.
What is your name?
What is your name? Right.
What's your dream?
Don't repeat what is your name, what is your name. Ask different questions. Yes.
How is the weather today?
How is the weather today? Right. No, your chance is over. Vishnu. Yes. Suchitra, can you ask any question? What?
Why did you call me?
Why did you call me? Right. Good.
Where are you from?
Where are you
What is your
from?
favorite teacher? What is your hobby? When is your birthday?
When is your birthday?
How many daughters have you?
How many daughters have you? Right.
What,
Did you ask the question, are you married or not?
What?
First question. Okay. Right. Yes. Yes.
What's your dream? What's your
What is your dream? Ah. Right.
How many brothers are you?
How many brothers have you? Yes. Dhanush? Do you? Yes.
What is their mother name?
Right. What is your mother's name? Yes, Kavita.
What is your favorite?
What is your favorite food? Movie. Right.
When will you dark him?
When will you?
Dark him.
Yes.
When will you dark him?
Next.
who is your favorite hero?
Favorite
Hero.
hero. Who is your favorite hero? Very good. Claps.